What have we got today besides adorable?
It's 90 days old. 90 whole days. And it's a girl.
She's a baby girl.
Baby girl, part border collie.
Yes, this is Corsicana. She is part of an unwanted litter, and all of the litter mates were named after cities around Dallas. It's a little Corsicana here. Like you said, she's a little girl, only 3 months old, 10 pounds right now, but maybe she'll be, I don't know, 35, 45 pounds when she's fully grown. She is active in the daytime. I think she's still kind of a little sleepy this morning, but she's just a fabulous puppy. Border Collie Lab Mix. She's going to be great for anyone, really.
She's so sweet. Now, you mentioned that she came from an unwanted litter, so we just want to remind folks.
Spay and neuter your pets, please. There are so many dogs and cats in this country that it would take every American adopting 7 animals a day, every single day their whole lives to get them all home. So we need to spay and neuter, vaccinate, and love on these little precious cutie pies.
All right, where can folks find her today?
Corsicana is going to be at the SPCA of Texas Jan Reese Jones Animal Care Center in West Dallas today at noon.
In West Dallas today at noon, spca.org, 888-ANIMALS for more information. Let's send it back to you guys.
I love the white going up right from her nose, right in between the little eyes.
Yep. We got a mutt, you got a mutt, and we love them both.
Yes. It is.